Good afternoon and welcome. During last period we have seen the articles, that is the development of fish disease. Yes, then etiology of fish disease. Then next article we have started. That article is the eccentric factor. Yes, eccentric factors. Due to these eccentric factors, fishes these are to be diseases, these are to be positive. Which are the eccentric factors for the disease causing purpose? For due to which disease, due to which fishes these are to be infected. These eccentric factors these are to be associated with importantly, that is the primarily fish is to be survive live in aquatic medium. Live in aquatic medium. Ultimately, the important factor, these are the eccentric factor not related to the fish body, but these factors these are related to the surrounding environment. And surrounding environment is the water. Surrounding environment is the water. In these water, which are the factors which is to be associated? Hence, it is called as the eccentric factors associated with waters. Associated with water, because water is the life of aquatic animal. Without water, fishes these are to be surviving. No. Without water, fishes these are to be living for long period. No. Then this water these are to be important. This water is to be most useful for the aquatic animal. Then which type of water these are to be important? The water is to be ideal water. Water is to be ideal water. Which type of ideal water? What is in the ideal water? In those water, those different minerals such as calcium, such as magnesium, calcium carbonate, sulfate. These different minerals these are to be in proper range, in proper level. Suppose these different minerals and salts these are to be not in proper level, not in proper range, that water is to be unfit for consumption of fish. Suppose water these are to be found, fish these are to be survive, but pH is to be more. pH is to be more, fishes these are to not survive. When pH is also less pH, then also it is to be little, fishes these are to be show the adverse effect. Means this water these are to be found, and in which this water fishes these are to be surviving, fishes these are to be lying. These fishes these are to be importantly eccentric factors. These factors these are to be important, these are to be useful for development of fish. Last period I have told you, those animals, those organisms surviving Earth planet, all these animals these are to be infected, these are to be badly infected due to the aquatic condition, because near about 80% diseases these are to be caused due to the bad quality water. Bad quality water. 80%. Suppose water quality these are to be pure, water quality these are to be ideal water quality. Ultimately, maximum problem these are to be solved, these are to be not. That's why eccentric factor related to the water, because fish is to be surviving water. Fish is to be surviving water. Hence, water is the ideal water. Water maintenance these are to be important. Water management these are to be most useful to the aquatic life. And suppose these water these are to be not in proper range, in proper level, then number of pathogens, number of bacteria, number of viruses, other parasites, infective parasite, that may be protozoa, that may be porifera, or that may be the helminth, nematodes, protozoans. These are to be infected, these are to be affect on the fish health and fish growth. Hence, this water these are to be important, these are to be more useful for aquatic life. Then which water? those water which is to be ideal, because this water these are to be contain number of different monovalent and bivalent components, minerals, sulfate, magnesium, then number of other different carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, then dissolved oxygen, sulfate, phosphate, total hardness, then alkalinity, that may be acidic alkalinity, that may be basic alkalinity. All these factors these are to be related to the water. Temperature, more the water temperature, ultimately impact on the fish. Means all these factors these are to be found in water. Hence this water these are to be important. In these eccentric factors, ammonia, sulfates, magnesium, carbonate, bicarbonates, hardness, then again this hardness, total hardness, or the permanent hardness, not temporary hardness, turbidity, water temperature, these different factors these are to be, in fact these are to be affect on the fish growth. And suppose the proportion of these different factors these are to be not in proper range, in proper level, then fish becomes infected, fish becomes disturb their life. Hence eccentric factor in water related to water, that eccentric factor these are to be important, these are to be seen. Up to in this year we have celebrated, I have told you, मी तुम्हाला बरेच वेळा सांगतो, आपण सध्या काय करत आहोत, आझादी का अमृत महोत्सव, म्हणजे आपण किती वर्ष झाले, 75. पहिला प्रश्न सुरुवात नाही, मी तुम्हाला सांगितलं की 75 वर्ष झाले तरी आपल्याला शुद्ध पाणी नाही, प्युअर वॉटर आपण आहे अवेलेबल आहे का नाही. मॅक्सिमम पीपल दीज आर टू बी सफर ड्यू टू द बॅड क्वालिटी वॉटर. Maximum people these are to be face diarrhea, people these are to be face jaundice, people these are to be face number of dysenteries. Annually the thousands of people these are to die due to these epidemic or these diseases which is to be caused from the bad quality water. Bad quality water, ultimately fish is to be affected, fish is to be infected. Hence in this factor for our syllabus, आपल्या सिलेबसला कुठले फॅक्टर ठेवलेले आहेत, water, it is no doubt, water is the important source, water is the important medium for aquatic life, and these fishes these are to be survive, fishes these are to be live. In these factors the first important factor is the water, that is the कुठला फॅक्टर सांगितले ना, dissolved oxygen. Dissolved oxygen, it is to be denoted by capital DO2, dissolved oxygen, capital DO2, dissolved oxygen. Why it is to be important, dissolved oxygen, why it is called as dissolved oxygen? Because aquatic animals they do not respire with atmospheric oxygen. For their service, for their life, for their survival, which oxygen these are to be important? Oxygen is to be no doubt important, but which state? In a dissolved state. In dissolved state. In which dissolved? It is to be dissolved in water. In those area, in those medium, they can survive, they can live. They can survive, they can live. From these medium, this dissolved oxygen these are to be used. We do not use dissolved oxygen. आपण डिझॉल्व्ड ऑक्सिजन आपल्याला पाण्यात बुडवलं आणि सांगितलं घे ऑक्सिजन, because we are taken the atmospheric oxygen, and aquatic animals they can take oxygen, but which state? It is to be dissolved state. Hence dissolved oxygen most important for aquatic life. It is the prime important oxygen these are to be minimum in range. Fish become suffocated, fish become asphyxiation, they can jumping outside the water. Those have ability to take the atmospheric air, they can survive for short time. But continuous exposure, no oxygen availability in water, fish can ultimately die. It can be die. To avoid this condition, to avoid this condition in water, no doubt water is to be ideal. But in this water, which level these are to be important? That is the dissolved oxygen. Dissolved oxygen. And what is the range of this dissolved oxygen? Ideal range for the aquatic life, for the fish in healthy water. Which water? Healthy water. What is the healthy water? Those water which contain ideal minerals, those water contain ideal salts, those water contains ideal number of different sulfate, magnesium, sodium. These are different. These are to be in ideal range. Ammonia in ideal range. That water is to be ideal water. That water is to be suited for aquatic life. Suppose anyone these are to be more in range, then fish becomes diet, fish becomes lethal due to that. Hence, dissolved oxygen is to be important. What is the range of dissolved oxygen? Ideal range more than 6 to 8. Oxygen range is to be more than 6.0 milligram per liter. More than 6. It is ideal when its range is to be 6.0 to 8.2 milligram per liter. And suppose oxygen level is to be below 6 milligram, that water is to be unfit for fishes, aquatic life. That water is to be unfit for aquatic life. And when oxygen these are to be lower, this oxygen these are to be dissolved and these are to be biologically important for development of the fish. Development of the fish. That's why this dissolved oxygen these are to be measured in BOD. Biological oxygen demand. What is the oxygen demand of that water? What is the oxygen demand of the insect, animals or fish in those water fishes? These are to be survive. BOD and COD, chemical oxygen demand and biological oxygen demand. And this oxygen level, dissolved oxygen, which oxygen? Dissolved oxygen. This dissolved oxygen is to be better range is to be 6.0 to 8.2 milligram per liter, or it is to be called as 6.0 to 8.2 ppm. Part per million. ppm. And when oxygen level these are to be in this range in water, that water is to be ideal water. That water is to be ideal water. No different other pathogens, parasites, these are to be infected, because number of pathogens, parasites, when fish these are to be suffer to either less oxygen, then these are to be infected, these are to be caused. That's why the first important factor is the dissolved oxygen, most important. Then second factor, that is the carbon dioxide, CO2, or it is called as free CO2. CO2, carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide, you have known. We have performed the practical water analysis. What is the range of carbon dioxide? What is the range of dissolved oxygen for aquatic water? Pond water, dissolved oxygen range is to be different. Tap water, dissolved oxygen range is to be different. And when the aquatic vegetation these are to be more in water, then the dissolved oxygen level of that water is to be. And suppose water is to be polluted, dirty water, water of opposite river. Opposite river of Jintur, आपल्या जिंतूरच्या नदीचे उलट्या नदीचे पाणी. Maximum water these are to be polluted. That is sanitary waste water of Jintur municipalities. Jintur Parapalika. All these are to be dumped into the opposite river. Then water is to be badly polluted. Such water is to be unfit for aquatic life, for fish. Free carbon dioxide. In those water, carbon dioxide level is also important. It is also important. When this carbon dioxide level is to be less, when its level is to be less, again it shows the adverse effect on aquatic animal. When carbon dioxide level is to be more, then again it shows the adverse effect on aquatic animal. Because in a proper range, aquatic water shows the carbon dioxide. And what is the range of ideal carbon in water, it is to be just 0.5 milligram per liter, 0.5 milligram per liter up to the 0.7 mg, or it is to be just 10 to 20 ppm. Less than this 10 to 20 ppm, the water is to be ideal water, water is to be good water. And suppose this level is to increase, then water is to be harmful. Water is to be harmful because it shows the different effect on aquatic life. That may be fish or any aquatic. This carbon dioxide is also important. Why it is to be important? When this carbon dioxide absent in water, then formation of carbonate and bicarbonate, these are to be stopped. Formation of carbonates and bicarbonate, these are to be stopped. That is in water, calcium, magnesium, sulfate, phosphate, these are to be present. In water, these different minerals, these are to be present. These are to be found. These sulfate, phosphate, magnesium, calcium, sodium, it is to be important. In which calcium is to be important. Calcium is to be important for development of bone. For development of bone, and this calcium Ca, CO, calcium oxide, when these are to be combined with water, it is to be formed the calcium carbonate and calcium bicarbonate. CaCO3 and CaHCO3. Calcium carbonate and calcium bicarbonate. Bicarbonate is used for eating. खाण्याचा सोडा, एक दुनियाचा सोडा आणि एक खाण्याचा सोडा. खाण्याचा सोडा for development of bone, for development of our growth, animal growth. This calcium carbonate and calcium bicarbonate is important, and it is to be formed from carbon dioxide. Means zero carbon dioxide level in water, that water is to be unfit. That water is to be also unfit. The range of this water, these are to be in between 10 to 20 ppm. It is to be good water. And suppose the range of this carbon dioxide, these are to be more than 20. Water is to be harmful for the aquatic life. Means fishes, these are to be survive. Fishes, these are to be live in water. In that water, this carbon dioxide level is to be in proper range, in proper range. That's why eccentric factors, no doubt fish is to be found in water. But what is the range of this factor? What is the range of this factor? These are to be importantly found in the water. That is the free carbon dioxide. Then next factor is the hardness. Yes. Hardness of water. Most importantly, hardness of water. Hardness of water means how much quantity of minerals these are to be dissolved in water. How much quantity of minerals these are to be dissolved in water, especially magnesium and calcium. How much these calcium and magnesium dissolved in water, and water, what is the hardness of water? Because this hardness is also important. This hardness, these are to be again divided into two types. One is the temporary hardness and second is the permanent hardness. Temporary hardness we have removed. We have removed when water these are to be boiling. Water these are to be boiled. The temporary hardness these are to be removed. But permanent hardness these are to be not removed. And what is the range of this hardness? It is to be 120 to 170 ppm. What is the range of hardness? Range of hardness is to be
120 to 170.
120 to 170 ppm. In this range hardness or below this hardness these are to be occur. Water is to be ideal, water is to be good. But suppose hardness is to be increased. Hardness is to be increased, that water is to be not useful. Drinking water, जे आपण पितो पाणी, आपण जे पाणी पितो त्याची हार्डनेस टोटल TDS आपण म्हणतो. टोटल TDS dissolved solids. टोटल dissolved solids किती असला पाहिजे TDS आपल्या? आपण जे पाणी पितो ह्या पाण्याचा TDS किती असतो? साधारणतः जवळपास 70. किती असायला पाहिजे? 70. पण बोर वॉटर आहे किंवा जिथलं घाण पाणी आहे त्याचा TDS किती असतो 130 किंवा 135 डबल. आणि जो आपण आरोचं पाणी पितो आता आरो जे पितो आपण त्याचा TDS किती आहे आपण ठेवतो किंवा बाजाराचं पाणी घेतो त्याचा TDS असतो 52 किंवा 50. ती जागी डेंजरस. आपली सुद्धा इम्युन पॉवर काय होत चालली दिवसेंदिवस कमी होत चालली. कशामुळे आपण काय करायलो कमी केमिकल येते नॅचरल वॉटर आपण घेत नाही. आपण काय करायलो आरोचं पाणी प्यायले मॅक्सिमम म्हणजे त्याच्यामध्ये मिनरलचं प्रमाण किती आहे 50 च्या खाली 35 40 30 पाहिजे किती आयडियल 70 पर्यंत 65 ते 70. बोर वॉटरचं किती असतं 130 ते 135 40 पर्यंत. मग हे आपण घेत नाही किडनी स्टोन होतो मॅक्सिमम प्रॉब्लेम होतो. पण आपण घ्यायला किती पाहिजे 70 पर्यंत. आपण घेतो किती बिलो 50. इट इज ऑल्सो मोर डेंजरस. दॅट इज हार्डनेस ऑफ वॉटर अँड इन वॉटर इन दोज वॉटर these different minerals calcium magnesium these are to be found in water. These are to be in proper range in proper level. Then that water is to be good for aquatic life. Oxygen level is to be ideal. Carbon dioxide level is to be ideal. Hardness of water is also ideal. Hardness of water is also ideal. pH of water is also ideal. Then that water may be not acidic, not basic, not acidic, not basic. Temperature of water is to be ideal. Pathogen these are to be found in water. No doubt pathogen parasite these are to be found occur. But these pathogens these parasites these are to be not infected to the aquatic fishes on large scale. Because surrounding environment surrounding ecosystem water is to be healthy water. And suppose any one these factors these are to be either decrease or either increase to a certain range to a certain level to a certain range to a certain level. Then these are to be more dangerous more harmful and cause the disease. And fishes these are to be infected. Who can control all these conditions? Human being can control. आपण फिश कल्चर करायलो पॉन्ड कल्चर करायलो किंवा कल्चर करायलो तर हे काम कुणाचं आहे कर्तव्य कुणाचं आहे हे सगळं पाहायचं. डिझॉल्व्ड ऑक्सिजन लेवल फ्री कार्बन डायऑक्साइड हार्डनेस TDS पाहायचं काम कुणाचं आहे कल्चर aqua कल्चरिस्ट आहे. आपण पाहत नाही दुर्दैवाने. आपण काय होतं एक काहीतरी वाढतं ऑक्सिजनचं लेवल तरी कमी होतं किंवा एकतर कार्बनचं लेवल तरी वाढतं आणि मग abnormal condition of water. And when this abnormal condition of water these are to be rise these are to be occur that is problem create. And that problem is the infection of parasite pathogens. Infection of parasite pathogens these are to be occur in aquatic life. That's why this hardness is also important in water. Hardness also important in water. समजते पुन्हा ammonia. Again, what is the use of ammonia? When you enter in toilet,
ammonia excreted product.
Dangerous. It is to be excreted product. When these are to be more in level, it is to be more in concentration, more in range. Then show the bad smell of water. Bad smell of water. It can affect on the that is osmosis. It can affect on the acceleration of gills. It can affect on the respiration.
Yes.
Simply when we are entering that is toilet, common toilet, the situation is to be better. Why? There is no cleaning. There is no hygienic condition. Bad smell is that to be occur. And as you can enter, your sin is to be circling continuously. Because why I can enter in this area for urinary condition, no hygienic condition, no proper cleaning, and this ammonia these are to be cause the bad smell. That's why in water minimum ammonia range, minimum ammonia level these are to be maintained, these are to be occur. And suppose this minimum this ammonia these are to be more in range, more in level, again water is to be dirty water, bad smell water. Aquatic animals these are to be infected, these are to be. Hence, these different eccentric factors, these are to be important for the development of fish diseases. आपण सुरुवातीला काय पाहतो आहोत? Which factor these are to be caused? Why fishes these are to be infected? Why fishes these are to be caused? That may be aquaculture, that may be pond culture, or that may be any culture condition. Fishes these are to be infected. Fishes these are to be caused. Why these are to be causing? Because these factors, all these are to be studied in practical. हे आपण सगळे practical मध्ये पाहणार आहोत. कुठले? Dissolved oxygen, free carbon dioxide, hardness, TDS. These factors, these are to be we have seen. Then next factor is the pH. Next factor is the pH. What do you mean by pH?
Acidic, basic.
Hydrogen ion concentration, negative logarithm of hydrogen ion concentration is called as pH, and this pH is to be important. And we all know that the pH range is to be how many types of pH range in water?
7.
pH range. What is how many types of pH? Best way. pH 3. Acidic, basic and neutral. Acidic, the range is to be 0 to 6.9. 0 to
6.9.
acidic. 7.0 neutral. 7.1 to 14 basic, or it is called as alkaline. It is called as alkaline. These three types of pH, these are to be important. These three types of pH, these are to be occurring water bodies. Anyone that will be either water, these are to be acidic, either water, these are to be neutral. When pH is to be exact 7, and when pH to be 7.1 to 14, then water is to be basic, or it is called as alkaline. Basic or alkaline. pH, negative logarithm of hydrogen ion concentration. Simply in water, H2O. H2O means water. H2O means water. When this H plus and OH minus. Hydrogen ion concentration and hydroxyl ion concentration. Hydrogen ion concentration H plus and hydroxyl ion minus concentration. When these are to be combined, form the H2O water. When these two components, these are to be equal in condition. Equal in condition, same quantity of H plus ion 100. Same quantity of OH minus ion. Then the water is to be neutral. Water is to be neutral. Suppose H plus ion, these are to be 90 and OH ion is to be 10. Water is to be acidic. Water is to be acidic, and when it is to be 50, 85, water is to be basic alkaline. Neither alkaline nor acidic. It is to be in a optimum range. It is to be in a optimum range. Water is to be used for drinking. आपण जे ड्रिंकिंग वॉटर घेतो त्याचा pH किती असतो? 6.5 to 6.8 or 6.85.
Acidic.
It is acidic, but it is to be not perfectly acidic. Such water, these are to be ideal for drinking purpose. But when fishes, these are to be grow, the river of opposite of Jintu, the pH is to be below 3, below 2. Hence, fishes, these are to be no surviving. Aquatic animals, these are to be more dangerous. Low pH and high pH. pH, it is to be noted out that is low pH, it is called as acidity of water, and high pH alkalinity. Alkalinity of water, low pH and then we have seen these, what is mean by low pH and what is mean by high pH in next. Yes, any difficulty problem? These factors, these are to be important. It is to be studied in zoo also. तुम्हाला zoo मध्ये सुद्धा water चे factor